Samsung Wallet versus Apple Wallet. Hey guys, in this video, we will see Samsung Wallet and Apple Wallet. When comparing Samsung Wallet and Apple Wallet, both offer seamless digital wallet experiences, but they cater to different device ecosystems and user preferences. Samsung Wallet is designed for Samsung users and integrates deeply with the Samsung devices such as Galaxy smartphones, tablets, and wearables. It integrates with Samsung Pay and can store payment cards, loyalty cards, and even Samsung-specific features like Samsung Rewards. It also supports contactless payments and offers enhanced security through Samsung Knox. Samsung Wallet allows users to sync their cards seamlessly across their Samsung devices, providing a more tailored experience for Samsung users. Apple Wallet, on the other hand, is built for Apple ecosystem and is available on iPhones, Apple Watches, and Macs. Apple Wallet allows users to store payment cards, boarding passes, event tickets, and even Apple Card transactions. It supports Apple Pay for quick, secure payments and works seamlessly with Apple services like Apple Maps for transit passes. Its security is top-notch, with features like Face ID or Touch ID ensuring that your data remains safe. The integration with the Apple ecosystem means smooth synchronization across all your Apple devices. In my opinion, Samsung Wallet is ideal for Samsung device owners who want a tailored experience with extra Samsung features, while Apple Wallet is the better option for Apple users looking for a highly secure, unified payment solution across all their devices. The best choice depends on whether you're more invested in the Samsung or Apple ecosystem. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.